Introducing some other potential projects. This is not even miming. It's an alpha project, a one tax thing, and social media tax, social hyphy. So so that when you start seeing updates, you start seeing withdrawal, you won't be like, when did it this one start? So to avoid that, I'm gonna be sharing to you some couple of projects that you should register now. It's not they are not even miming, just a one-time registration thing. And one of them is this Daren. It's a, like, should I say, a blockchain, or let me just say an exchange project. It's an exchange token, which is the native token is called donuts. So it's simple. This project is backed up by Binance BNB chain. And what you need to do is you click on this link and let it open in your browser. You should be using Mrs. browser or a PC. For most of these projects, if it's not miming, then you should be using a PC or Mrs. or Kiwi browser. So when you are using any of these browser, you have less difficulties to get them done. So for those that are familiar with how to use a PC or how to use any of these exchange browser, wallet extension browser, then it's awesome. And if you are yet to get to know how to use any of these, how to use the Mrs. browser, check out my video on the get grass airdrop. You can learn how to use Mrs. browser from there. So this is what we have on this Daren. This is it, AI on chain service markets. It's an AI market, and what you do here is to connect your wallet. You see the top of the page, you click on connect wallet, then you click on the donut logo from the connect wallet. You after you've connected your wallet, on the top of the page you click on the donut logo. You see where to sign to check in. You check in every day to earn donuts, and also you do the social media tags, which is the Twitter tags. You like, you follow, you retweet, all of those tags. That is what you do here too. You see top tags. All of these things are the tags. Once you click on the connect wallet, that's for the Daren project. Now the next one is this alpha project. This is the Blast airdrop, and it's going to be listing on the it will be claimable by 30th of March, which is next month. So you can get positioned. Yeah, what you do is, once you click on this the link, you open it in your browser. Remember, you should be using the wallet extension browser. Then you submit your EVM address, which is your Ethereum wallet address from MetaMask wallet. Copy your Ethereum wallet address on MetaMask, paste it to the early access page where you'll be seeing after this link open. This you see, enter your EVM address. You enter this address, then you click on what's it called, join early access. That's how to register on this. Just use the right browser, so you'll be able to click on it. And for those that did the Blast airdrop, the Blast L2 will be launching 28th of February, which is tomorrow, as at the time of making this video. So for those that did the Blast airdrop, this Blast L2 is not this particular one. This is Blastalpha. The Blast L2, it's this Blast thing is diversified. They have different aspects. The Blast ecosystem, the Blasterswap, this Blast.io, the Blastalpha, all of this, a lot of projects under this Blast. But the main Blast, the Blast L2 will be launching tomorrow. So for those that did it, I don't know if I will be making a video around it tomorrow. Let's see how that goes. So just make sure, just note that for those that, if you are among those that did the Blast L2, then you should be able to claim starting from 28th of this month. So the Blast ecosystem, so they said I think the Blast system is the Blast ecosystem, if I'm not mistaken. I don't want to get it confused. But either ways, I will bring it to you guys tomorrow and see if you do, so that you know how to claim it. I know I posted the Blast ecosystem. I just want to confirm if I'm not mistaken anything. So if it is black ecosystem which I posted that will be launching tomorrow, then expect a video around it tomorrow for the Blast L2. So this is coin leaf. This coin leaf is launching 31st of next month. As you can see, you see 32 days to go. They're launching 31st of next month. You get XR, sorry, you get CLX, and this CLX will be converted to XR token for you. So what do you do here? You download the app, use the referral code, then you check in every day. You see this check-in page, you see, you check in every day here to gain the CLX token, which will be converted to XR, which is the main airdrop token. Then you make a prediction about BTC here, either up and down with 0.5%. Maybe BTC is going to move up or move down in 0.5%. So it's not that when you lose, you will be punished for it. No. When you gain, you earn more CLX token. When you lose, you just get only 1 pieces. So that's how to earn on this app. It's not a miming thing. It's just to make predictions. And for if you are here to join the Azcoiner app, you want to do well to take position. Azcoiner has partnered with Zata chain, and you know what that means. It's going to be massive. So make sure you're actively miming. All of this project I am mentioning, I'll be posting the registration link in the description box, or check the pin post in the comment section. I'll drop the registration link there so you can take position and start miming and start claiming. It's not miming. So the last two is the what's it called, the 3up.io and the Z1Labs. This Z1Labs is a one-time registration thing. You say join better, please connect both X and wallet. The first thing is I'm opening this on the Mrs. browser. You connect your X account, then you click on after that you click on connect wallet. Then you come to this place. You connect your X account, then you click on connect wallet. After you come to this page, you see enter your Twitter username, Telegram name, Discord name, and you click on complete here. You check in this box. I have followed on Twitter, join Discord, then you click on complete, and that's all. Then you can refer if you have people to refer. You do well to refer. So this is for this Z1Labs. You see, it's just a one-time registration, then you do the tax. So that's how this Z1Labs works. And the last but not the least is the 3up.io. Here you do the check-in, the daily check-in to endpoints. You just do you register. Sorry, there's no registration done. Connecting your wallet. You connect your MetaMask wallet. Then you click on this gift box. You click on this gift box to check in every day. This is the check-in page, and that's it. This is how you claim the token every day, like that. So guys, this is the latest, or let me just say the information I have for you at the moment. Make sure you are stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed, and you can also join my Telegram channel. Check the Telegram link in the pin post in the comment section, or check the description box as well. Get subscribed, stay positioned, stay tuned, and await further updates about every of these projects and subsequent ones. And guys, you can also send it super thanks by clicking on the thanks button below the share button below this video. Beside the share button below this video, send a super thanks to show support to this channel. It will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one.